conversation with the US President Donald Trump, the Modi-Trump phone conversation. As now details have come in that the conversation went on for 35 minutes, and this is the first conversation since Pahalgam attack. The Prime Minister briefed the US President Donald Trump on the Operation Sindoor, saying the strikes were precise and non-escalatory and had only hit the terrorist hideouts in Pakistan. So the meeting between Prime Minister Modi and President Trump was scheduled to take place on the sidelines of the G7 summit. President Trump had to return to the United States early, due to which the meeting could not take place. After this, at the request of President Trump, the two leaders spoke on the phone today. The conversation lasted about 35 minutes. After the Pahalgam terror attack on the 22nd of April, President Trump had expressed condolences to the Prime Minister over the phone and expressed support against terror. My colleague Pragya is joining us with the details. Pragya, take us through the details of the conversation between the two world leaders.
Well, very important and crucial 35-minute phone call that Prime Minister Modi had with US President Trump, and in fact there are many clarifications that should also pacify opposition now, with Prime Minister Modi specifically telling President Trump that there was no mediation at all by the US, or there was no mentioning of trade talk between US and India when it comes to the issue between Pakistan and India. In fact, Prime Minister has also clarified that India has never and will never accept any sort of mediation on the particular issue. Very strong points that have been raised by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He also briefed President Trump on operation and also highlights India's strong action.
Okay, all right. Rishabh is also live with us. So, Rishabh, now more information coming in about the conversation that took place between the two leaders, the first conversation after the Pahalgam terror attack on the 22nd of April.
Well, definitely. Prime Minister Modi held a telephonic conversation with US President Donald Trump. They both were expected to meet on the sidelines of G7 in Canada. That meeting could not happen, given that Donald Trump had to cut short his visit to Canada and he could not attend the outreach session and had to return to Washington to be in Situation Room manning what's happening in West Asia, given the Israel-Iran conflict situation. But both the leaders held a telephonic conversation, and both the leaders also discussed that how India's retaliation after Pahalgam has been, and India made it very clear that India doesn't see terrorism as proxy war anymore. It is a war for India, and New Delhi will respond in most appropriate manner to any provocation that will happen from Pakistan, any terror, cross-border terrorism that originates from Pakistan. Apart from that, India also very categorically said that there have been a lot of reports about US mediation between India and Pakistan. That is completely false. The cessation of hostilities on the front line was only between India and Pakistan, Indian military and Pakistani military. Apart from that, in the 35-minute long conversation between the two leaders, we are given to understand that Donald Trump also
Okay, all right. Do stay on with us, Rishabh. We also have guests joining us on the broadcast. And Dr. Harinder, the key highlights from this conversation between Prime Minister Modi as well as President Trump. One, making it clear that it was Pakistan that had asked for a ceasefire. Second, making it clear that India does not appreciate any mediation whatsoever. In fact, before I come to you, I just want to play out what Vikram Misri has said as well on this entire conversation between Prime Minister Modi as well as President Trump. Here's what he said on India's message to the United States. Let's listen in.
प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप को स्पष्ट रूप से कहा कि इस पूरे घटनाक्रम के दौरान कभी भी किसी भी स्तर पर भारत अमेरिका ट्रेड डील या अमेरिका द्वारा भारत और पाकिस्तान के बीच मध्यस्थता जैसे विषयों पर बात नहीं हुई थी। सैन्य कार्रवाई रोकने की बात सीधे भारत और पाकिस्तान के बीच दोनों सेनाओं की एग्जिस्टिंग चैनल्स के माध्यम से हुई थी और पाकिस्तान के ही आग्रह पर हुई थी। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने जोर देकर कहा कि भारत ने न तो कभी मध्यस्थता स्वीकार की थी, न करता है और न ही कभी करेगा। इस विषय पर भारत में पूर्ण रूप से राजनीतिक एकमत है। राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप ने प्रधानमंत्री द्वारा विस्तार में बताई गई बातों को समझा और आतंकवाद के खिलाफ भारत की लड़ाई के प्रति समर्थन व्यक्त किया। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने यह भी कहा कि भारत अब आतंकवाद को प्रॉक्सी वॉर नहीं, युद्ध के रूप में ही देखता है और भारत का ऑपरेशन सिंदूर अभी भी जारी है।
So this was the message by the Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri, as he said very clearly in clear words that there is no mediation, that it was a ceasefire asked by Pakistan, and more importantly, there were no talks of trade. Dr. Harinder, a claim that has been made by Trump, you've said that it should not be taken in any seriousness because that is Trump being Trump. But India making it clear that there is no truth to what the United States has said, especially considering that India has been very clear that there should be no mediation on the same. This phone conversation was very, very important. In fact, we were also told that President Trump had asked the Prime Minister if he could stop in the United States on his way back from Canada. But because of the pre-scheduled engagements, the Prime Minister said that it would not be possible.
Yes, I think there is absolutely no ambiguity in what the Foreign Secretary has just said. And coming to your earlier question about the opposition, I think that's all politics getting played out in the media. And, the Foreign Secretary has spoken, the Prime Minister has made his stand very clear. And I think the media now really needs to play it down rather than, because with Trump, you never know that tomorrow he might use this as something where the India has slighted him, because the American partnership is important and is multidimensional and not dependent only on the outcome of Pakistan, because we have a trade negotiation going on. And so I think the Foreign Secretary's statement is clear and it has been played out.
Okay, all right. We have Pradeep Bhandari of the BJP joining us on the broadcast as well, speaking on the politics of it. Pradeep, time and again the Congress party has used the statement made by President Trump, but now India has made it very clear in a conversation of the Prime Minister with President Trump, making it clear there was no trade talk whatsoever. Do you now believe that the Congress party will heed to what the Foreign Secretary has said and stop using it for politics?
Well, the Congress party, first of all, needs to apologize to the people of the country for not believing in the Indian government stand time and again and for belittling our forces. Please note that it is the Indian government and Indian forces which have categorically said that India had given a befitting reply to Pakistan in Operation Sindoor and there was no third party involved. However, despite knowing the fact, the Congress party continued to go on a rant in order to believe in the enemy's narrative. I hope that the Congress party first should apologize to the people of the country for peddling an enemy narrative, and at the same time, if it does not do so, it will be aptly clear that the Congress does not stand with India's interest, it stands with belittling India's interest.
Okay, because in this phone conversation, the Prime Minister is said to have made it clear that India does not appreciate any mediation, no third-party mediation whatsoever, that it was Pakistan that asked for a ceasefire and that there has been no conversation about the trade talks. So you're saying that the Congress party should first apologize to the people of the country for making these bizarre claims and to talk about what Trump has said. But this conversation between the Prime Minister and the President, very significant, Pradeep. The information that we have also suggests that President Trump is said to have asked the Prime Minister if he could have made a stopover in the United States after his visit to Canada. But because of his schedule, the Prime Minister could not visit. But there is a likelihood that President Trump will be visiting India soon.
Well, the Prime Minister invited the President for Quad and the President Trump has agreed to it. Plus, please note the very important point. The Prime Minister categorically had said that India had hit the terror bases, and after Pakistan's attempt to hit the Indian bases, that is when India had hit even the military bases. Now, this fact was very clear. However, Mr. Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party in the last many days was asking Hindustan ki kitte jahaz gire and was believing not in the Indian government stand, but in a third party stand. Now, when it is also clear to the third party, I again reiterate, will Rahul Gandhi and Jairam Ramesh come and apologize to the people of the country for peddling fake news not once but repeatedly?
Okay, all right. Pradeep, thank you for joining us on the broadcast. So, three main highlights: no trade talks whatsoever, no third-party mediation, and it was Pakistan that asked for ceasefire. This is the highlight of the conversation of the Prime Minister with President Trump. The Foreign Secretary also had a message, clear message that India has given to the United States. Let's listen in.
प्रधानमंत्री मोदी और राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप की मुलाकात G7 समिट की साइडलाइंस पर होनी तय थी। राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप को जल्दी वापस अमेरिका लौटना पड़ा, जिसके कारण ये मुलाकात नहीं हो पाई। इसके बाद राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप के आग्रह पर आज दोनों लीडर्स की फोन पर बात हुई। बातचीत लगभग 35 मिनट चली। 22 अप्रैल को पहलगाम आतंकी हमले के बाद राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप ने फोन पर प्रधानमंत्री मोदी को शोक संवेदना प्रकट की थी और आतंक के खिलाफ समर्थन व्यक्त किया था। उसके बाद दोनों लीडर्स की ये पहली बातचीत थी। इसलिए प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप से ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बारे में विस्तार से बात की। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप को स्पष्ट रूप से कहा कि 22 अप्रैल के बाद भारत ने आतंकवाद के खिलाफ कार्रवाई करने का अपना दृढ़ संकल्प पूरी दुनिया को बता दिया था। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने कहा कि 6-7 मई की रात को भारत ने पाकिस्तान और पाकिस्तान ऑक्यूपाइड कश्मीर में सिर्फ आतंकी ठिकानों को ही निशाना बनाया था। भारत के एक्शन बहुत ही मेजर्ड, प्रिसाइज और नॉन एस्केलेटरी थे। साथ ही भारत ने यह भी स्पष्ट कर दिया था कि पाकिस्तान की गोली का जवाब भारत गोले से देगा। 9 मई की रात को उपराष्ट्रपति वांस ने प्रधानमंत्री मोदी को फोन किया था। उपराष्ट्रपति वांस ने कहा था कि पाकिस्तान भारत पर बड़ा हमला कर सकता है। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने उन्हें साफ शब्दों में बताया था कि यदि ऐसा होता है तो भारत पाकिस्तान को उससे भी बड़ा जवाब देगा। 9-10 मई की रात को पाकिस्तान के हमले का भारत ने बहुत सशक्त जवाब दिया और पाकिस्तान की सेना को बहुत नुकसान पहुंचाया। उसके मिलिट्री एयर बेसिस को इनऑपरेबल बना दिया। भारत के मुंहतोड़ जवाब के कारण पाकिस्तान को भारत से सैन्य कार्रवाई रोकने का आग्रह करना पड़ा। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप को स्पष्ट रूप से कहा कि इस पूरे घटनाक्रम के दौरान कभी भी किसी भी स्तर पर भारत अमेरिका ट्रेड डील या अमेरिका द्वारा भारत और पाकिस्तान के बीच मध्यस्थता जैसे विषयों पर बात नहीं हुई थी। सैन्य कार्रवाई रोकने की बात सीधे भारत और पाकिस्तान के बीच दोनों सेनाओं की एग्जिस्टिंग चैनल्स के माध्यम से हुई थी और पाकिस्तान के ही आग्रह पर हुई थी। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने जोर देकर कहा कि भारत ने न तो कभी मध्यस्थता स्वीकार की थी, न करता है और न ही कभी करेगा। इस विषय पर भारत में पूर्ण रूप से राजनीतिक एकमत है। राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप ने प्रधानमंत्री द्वारा विस्तार में बताई गई बातों को समझा और आतंकवाद के खिलाफ भारत की लड़ाई के प्रति समर्थन व्यक्त किया।
Clear and strong message to the United States. India has never asked for any intervention, never has, never will. The question is, will the politics around it now end after the Foreign Secretary has made it clear the conversation that took place between the Prime Minister and the US President Donald Trump? We're keeping a track of that. Quick break. We'll be right back.